To modify or create cost tables, go to the three dots at the top right of your dashboard, click on Cost Tables in the settings, then click in your individual cost tables. You'll see that there are already three cost tables available or actually made up for you. And this is very important because these cost tables are already tied to the strategy templates that you're going to be using to create new clients. So modify these to your primary cost tables. And then if you want to create additional cost tables for other states or counties or whatnot, you can do that as well. And we'll show you that in just a few minutes. So in the event that you want to go ahead and modify your tables, which you're going to do, and you're going to go into lender cost, for instance, you can make this any label that you want. You can modify the cost labels. You can adjust whether or not the cost is an APR cost or non-APR cost. You can add a flat fee, percentage of loan, percentage of purchase, or a combination of the three. You can delete a cost. You can then add a cost. Let's say we're going to do an appraisal management fee. Easily do that like this. Do a $75 flat and then hit save. So you'll see that when you go back in that your appraisal management fee is still there. Let's just say we wanted to move this appraisal management fee above the credit report. All I have to do is select the appraisal management fee and then move it above the credit report, and then I can hit save. The next thing I want to show you is how to go from your primary tables to create additional secondary tables. A very easy way to do that is to leverage what you've already done for your primary table. Let's just say we want to make a copy of this purchase table. We'll do that by selecting the gear here, clicking on copy this table, and then you can modify it how you see fit based on what you're trying to accomplish with this table and modify the cost. So once we hit save, you'll see that now we have this purchase copy in here. If we wanted to leverage this secondary table in one of the presentations, I want to show you how easily that is done. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go ahead and go into one of these clients. And then you can easily see that under properties, the cost section here, you want to go in there and you want to go to other costs. And when you click on that, this window will pop up and you'll see that you now have this purchase copy in here. So this is in this scenario that you're out of your primary cost table zone or different county, different state, and you want to pull this as a new state into this particular presentation. This is how you would do it. You would just hit select and then you're finished.